Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about a wonderful evergreen flowering plant called Ixora. Ixora is such a common plant in India. You will find them everywhere and they are great for any type of garden. This is one of the rare plants that bloom all year long, even in the winters. You will never see them without flowers. They are tropical climate plants and they bloom best from spring till the beginning of winter. What makes them so attractive is the big bunch of flowers. You can see how gorgeous they look. They not only bloom a lot, but they are also very long lasting. You will find Ixoras in many colors. There are so many varieties available now. You will find large varieties and also small hybrid varieties that are great for growing in small containers. You can see this one I have. When the flowers bloom, they are yellow and then they slowly change color and become red. You can identify different varieties by the leaves. Like this one has small and round leaves with yellow flowers, and this one has longer and bigger leaves with red flowers. Ixoras are one of the best plants to grow in your garden. Let's talk about the growing conditions. Ixora is a sun-loving and heat-loving plant, so to have the best growth and maximum flowers, you should grow them in full direct sunlight. 6 hours of sunlight is best for them, but don't worry, they can also tolerate some shade. They will flower quite well if you grow them in partial shade. During the hot summer months, give them some afternoon shade to avoid leaf burns and dehydration. If you plant them in the ground, you don't need to do anything, but in containers, they need some care. They grow very well in containers. Look at this one. I'm growing it in such a tiny container and they're blooming so well. But you should take at least a 10 or 12 inch pot to grow them. Choose pot according to the variety. You can grow dwarf varieties in small pots. Later, I have repotted my plant in this plastic packet and it's doing quite well. Using a big container is better to get a healthy plant. You should repot them every 1 or 2 years. For Ixoras, make a potting mix that is rich, well-draining and moist. Use any good quality garden soil. You can add up to 40% well-rotten compost, 2 tablespoons of bone meal and neem cake powder. You can also use coco peat if you want. Fertilize them weekly with mustard cake liquid fertilizer. Every 2 months, you can add some bone meal. Add compost time to time to keep them healthy throughout the year. Proper watering is very important. These plants don't like dry soil. Too much dry soil can damage the flowers and the leaves can get yellow. So keep the soil always moist and water them regularly. Pinching the dead flowers is very important to keep the plant clean. Cut the dry flower stem and you will see more flower buds coming from the side. You should also prune your plant to make them bushy. The large varieties need pruning to keep them in shape. Springtime is best for pruning. You can easily grow them from stem cuttings. Here you can see, this one is a stem cutting that I planted 6 months ago. They rooted very well and now they're blooming too. If you grow them from cuttings, monsoon is the best time. You can also get your preferred variety from the nursery. They don't get a lot of pest problems, but if you see any pests, you can use any organic pesticide like neem oil time to time. Growing them is quite easy and they reward you with long-lasting colors. Let me know what you think about Ixoras. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more content. I will see you next time. Bye!